Okay, so this is just a mini. I was messing around with some replays and I totally forgot that there's actually a cinematic mode in this game that you can play your battles and watch your battles in. So I'm gonna play one game of cinematic mode here, and I wanna see if you guys like it. And if you do, um, then whenever I play miniguns, it'll be in cinematic mode. Alright, I'll be back when the match starts. Alright, here we go. Alright, that was cinematic mode. I didn't really move the camera much there, but you can move the camera around to get better angles. Um, so yeah, if you like it, I'll do miniguns exclusively in cinematic, or maybe I'll do a mix, who knows. But yeah, that's that.